What are you doing, Jacob?
Just changing the tyre on my boosted board all-terrain.
What wheels are they?
They're the Inertian 5-inch pneumatic wheels that are currently off the market.
And what, they fit on a boosted board? Should we race each other with the Raptor as well? Yeah, we might as well race each other and film it. Okay, we have our weapons of choice here. We've got an Inertian Raptor. It's just a mono drive because that's all I've got built at the moment. My other dual drive got dismantled for I don't know, prototypes and stuff. We've got the boosted board, slightly modified as you can see. And of course we've got the P4, my favorite new toy. After the Raptor, of course.
They're seriously
Chased by helicopter on modified boosted all-terrain board. So what's the verdict, Jacob?
It's a freaking fun little modification, but not something that I'm probably going to be keeping.
And yeah, the motors haven't heated up too much. The battery certainly runs out very quickly, so it's probably drawing about double the amount of watts, or double the amps if you prefer that language. So you know, we only rode it then for about, I don't know, 10 minutes. It wasn't long, so I probably wouldn't suggest this kind of modification unless you just want to have fun in the street. Otherwise it's not going to do much else. It was transitioning up these gutters really quite well though. You can see we've got this like 45-degree angle here on all of our gutters, and I was a little bit skeptical how it would transition up that, but I hit it going reasonably fast and it seemed okay. I mean, one of the reasons I stopped selling those wheels was they're probably a little bit small. I think what tends to happen is when you have an all-terrain or a pneumatic style wheel, you just want to go off-road with it. I mean, like, who wouldn't want to hit the dirt paths and the grass and stuff? And yeah, they're just a little bit small for that. That's why I'm working on looking at 8-inch now. There's a reason why the mountain boarding community use 8-inch wheels, and it's not because they just woke up one morning and made that shit up. It's, you know, there's an 8-inch wheel is about the right size for dirt and grass and that sort of terrain. So anything less, and it'll work, but it's perhaps not as efficient. So yeah, 8-inch I think. Okay, that's probably about it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching, eSkate Builders. Keep building electric skateboards. Subscribe, like this, share this, comment about this, post it in the Reddit, the Boosted Board Reddit subreddit. Please post it in there so Sanjay can say hello to us. Hi Sanjay. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
That's a big box.
Right.
Okay, give the man a hand, fellas. I'll just be over here recording.
So 43 kilos. Oh well. I would give you. Huh? I put it in myself. I put it in myself, but only I had to move about 6 feet. You all good, Jace?
Yeah, cheers, man. Do I have to sign?
No, all good.
Watch the mono drive.
Alright, let's open this box.
Let's hope every single deck is in pristine condition. Actually, what is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is not what I thought it was, people. But you will be very excited by what it actually is. Anyway, I'm just about to rip. Was it 45 kilos? Bloody hell. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Oh. Follow me, Adam. Follow me. Do not reveal any of my top secret projects. Look at that. I mean, the other day I was sitting here going, you know what? I'm not sure if I'm happy with it, but the gloss, that gloss is just fucking perfect. It looks so much better. Give me that one, Jacob. I mean, you can see the difference there. I had to get them to specially order the gloss, which of course caused delays, but definitely worth it. It's got a lovely little seal. It's an automotive grade seal around the edge here, and it actually creates a really good seal, so much so that it's airtight.